Hey guys, it's Super here, and in light of all the recent Apple releases, I thought I would unbox a product for you guys. So enjoy. I also realized that we hit 6 years on YouTube. Heck yeah. Sorry I didn't make a video before that. I've been really busy with school, but happy 6 years, you guys. That's crazy. August 27th, 2014. Hey guys, it's Super here, and today I have something very exciting that I've been looking forward to for a long time. I've been saying that I was gonna get one for a long time. Like, you can ask my friends. This has been something that I've been wanting for a long time. So you guys know I have the iPhone X, and it is not a bad phone. And honestly, I don't need a new one. I mean, the thing that was like pressuring me to get this is that the data on this sometimes just stops working and the battery dies really fast, and sometimes it'll just crash and restart. And I know what you guys are saying. You guys are like, it's the carrier. It's not the phone. No, because we have Verizon unlimited data, and my mom's phone, her iPhone XR, my sister's iPhone XR, and my dad's Samsung all work perfectly fine. Somehow this one just is completely slow. And so I was fed up with it, and I bought this with my own money completely. And right here I have the iPhone SE 2020. So yeah, we are going to unbox this. So I know I normally use a knife, but I'm just gonna use the pull tab they provided. Okay. Oh, yeah. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, so we're gonna take the pamphlet out first. And here, I have gotten a product red Mophie case before for my old iPhone SE, actually. And yeah, that's the only product red thing I've ever gotten. I've never gotten like a phone or like another Apple device, but I almost dropped it. But here is a little product red Apple device. And basically, the product red funding usually goes to like research for AIDS, but it is now going towards research for COVID. So that's a nice little support thing. I don't know, I can't talk, I'm too excited. So next, after that, I think that's all we got in here. Next we have your welcome to the iPhone guide. I did get this unlocked, so like you never know if I want to switch carriers. So there is a SIM tool in here. Then of course you gotta have your Apple stickers, and then just like little stuff. I know, very like nice of me just saying little stuff. Ooh, I like that so much, just looking at that in person. Okay, I'm going to take the paper off. So this is like the most satisfying part of the unboxing. Oh yeah. Okay. Gosh, it's so clean. Ooh, look at that. Clean. It's so nice and clean. Like, I don't want to, I know I'm just going to smudge it up. I'm just going to set it down there. And the first thing I'm going to do is switch SIM cards, just to get that over with, you know? Come on. Gosh, we're adding the SE and we're losing the X. I'm going to be trading him in because he did have a lot of trade-in value. And I bought this phone myself, so I'm like, I don't want it to cost that much money. So I am going to be saying goodbye to Face ID, but saying hello to Touch ID again, which in these times is going to be better, trust me. Okay, so I do have my own little SIM kit here, so I'm just going to use that. And I'm just going to rebox the SE up. I'm one of those people. And yeah, let me switch the SIM cards out and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I did switch out the SIM cards, and I did want to compare the iPhone 8 to the SE, and you can really see the only visual difference is that the Apple logo was lowered. But that's not the point of this phone. The point of this phone is to take everything the iPhone 11 has, minus like a few of the features like the camera, and put it into a cheaper shell. And you know, some people, it may not just be like the price. Some people like me I'm more accustomed to this design. This is what I like. And yeah, so that is it compared to the 8. Now let me find the other SE I have right here. This is new SE versus old SE. I know I have a case on this, but it is the SE. And yeah, I'm going to put this in a case now. This is the case that I put it in. I decided to go with this red Incipio. I mean, it doesn't exactly match, but it's pretty darn close. In fact, on camera, it does look like it does match. But now we're going to turn it is turning on. Ooh, I'm so excited. I gotta switch everything over. And I really do love him, don't get me wrong. Like, I really do. This is a perfectly fine phone. Do not think that I'm like spoiled. Like, this is a perfectly fine phone. I'm just saying it is. I mean, it is I've had this phone for 2 years, and so that is the average lifespan for a phone. Anyways, my SE is on, and I'm going to set this up and expect more videos for the SE. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.